Let me guess. You promised yourself you'd start earlier this time. And yet, here you are, past midnight, Googling fun worksheet ideas while your cat types nonsense into your lesson file. Hey, you're not lazy. You're just doing too much, which is why I'm about to introduce you to your new best friend, Canva AI. It is a tool that helps you design slides, posters, and worksheets faster than your Wi Fi can blink. In this episode, we're not just talking theory. I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to use Canva AI to make pro level teaching materials, even if the last thing you designed was a sitting chart with sticky notes. Alright, let's start at the beginning. The first step would be open the Canva and log in. If you don't have a Canva account yet, no worries. You can sign up for free. Or if your school has Canva for education, even better. That version gives you extra features for free, like extra fonts and zero ads. In the next step, we have to click the Magic Design button. Once you're in, head to the top menu and click on a magic design. This is where Canva AI lives. Think of it as your digital intern who actually gets stuff done. For the next step, we have to tell Canva what you want. Now, in the prompt box, type exactly what you want. For example, create a grade 4 worksheet on ecosystems with fun illustrations. And voila, look at that. 4 worksheet options ready in seconds. And look at this one with the jungle animals. I do this worksheet myself. And let's move on to the final step. Choose a layout you like. Click on the one you like best. Don't worry, you can tweak everything later. This is just your starting point. Let's proceed to the next part. How to customize worksheet without losing your mind. Now comes the fun part, making it your own. No design degree needed. Just click, type, drag, done. In the first step, we have to edit the text. Click on any text box and start typing. Update questions, add instructions, change the font just like editing a Google slide. If you have any typos, Canvas got spell check. Thank goodness I once tied carnivores as candivores. This is a true story. Now, for the next step, we have to add images or icons. Want to make it visual? Head to the Elements tab, type what you're looking for, and drag it in. Like the forest animals, food chains, or even volcanoes with a face. Yeah, Canvas got it. Now, for the step number 3, adjust colors and layout. Need to tone it down? Click on the background or boxes and choose a new color. Try using light colors for printing and bold ones for presentation. Everything's drag and drop. It's like organizing your desk if your desk actually listened to you. Let's do another one, but this time a poster. Type your request like before. Create a poster for grade 6 about the water cycle. Click the one you like. You can adjust everything: arrows, sun size, font that doesn't scream 2004, unless you like Comic Sans. No judgment, but maybe just a little judgment. Now, we have to save and share like a pro. The first step is download the file. Once your design is ready, click share to download and choose PDF print for worksheets or PNG for posters. Step number 2, we have to print or share digitally. You can upload it in a Google Classroom, email it to a parent, or go old school and print it out. And yes, your students will ask how you made it. Just smile and say, I have my ways. Teaching is already a full time job, and then some. So, if there's a tool that lets you teach better, faster, and with less stress, why not use it? Canva AI doesn't just save you time, it gives you energy back. And that that's priceless. Like that, next time we're diving into AI powered quizzes and gamified learning tools. You do not want to miss that one. Want to try AI Canva right now? Head over to canva.com and type your first teaching prompt. You can literally say, make me a fun poster for grade 2 about animal groups, and you're off. Like, subscribe, or share this with a teacher who needs help. If you want our full Canva prompt starter pack, it's in the description. And remember, smart teachers don't work harder, they work smarter with AI. Hit that join the course button and subscribe button. Share this with your favorite overworked, hardworking teacher. And let's teach smarter, learn faster. Let's build the future together.